and welcome everyone. So এই ভিডিওটোত আমি ইন্ডিয়ান পলিটি 1997 or question can discuss করিম. So let's see. So the first question is, under the Constitution of India, the country is a democratic republic, socialist republic, secular republic, or sovereign socialist, secular and democratic republic. So the correct option will be sovereign socialist, secular democratic republic. So it is mentioned in the preamble. Then we have the concept of democratic decentralization became more meaningful after Article 40 of the Constitution, 73rd and 74th amendments to the Constitution in 1992, the Balwantrai Mehta Committee of 1957, or the Ashok Mehta Committee of 1978. So the correct option will be 73rd and 74th amendments to the Constitution in 1992. Then Panchayats now have responsibilities as earmarked by the Government of India, the State Government, the Government of India and the State Government, the 11th schedule of the Constitution. So the correct option will be the State Government. Then we have the President can proclaim emergency under Article 152, Article 256, Article 252 or Article 352. So the correct option will be Article 352. It is also known as national emergency. Then the parliament is called hung parliament when the speaker resigns, the parliament is dissolved, no political party gains majority in election, or the parliament is not in session. So the correct option will be no political party gains majority in election. Then we have the fundamental right to equality does not guarantee equality for law, equal protection of laws, equal pay to equal work, or equal opportunities for all. So the correct option will be equal pay to equal work. It is not a fundamental right. It is a part of directive principles of state policy. Then we have at last the writ of habeas corpus may be issued by the Supreme Court or a High Court to protect a person from arrest or detention, to free a person from illegal arrest or detention, to remand a person from police custody to judicial custody, or to order an early trial of an accused person. So the correct option will be to free a person from illegal arrest or detention. So 97 যেখান question paper আছিল তাত এইকেইটা question আছিল on Indian polity. So hope you like the video. So if you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel to get more updates on Indian polity. Thank you.